Hello everybody, so today I'm just going to show you how to get a lumosity for free. So basically what you need is to get an account first, so I have my Gmail on this, right? So let's get logged in with this account. So let me just show you the account setting first. So we have to unlock this. So for this, what you can do is unlock this. Then we have the another way, individual plan have a promo. So what I want to do is to access the lifetime, and here what we have is this. So let me just use this, and security code 000 and USA. Right, so and let's use the zip code. So what it's gonna be is 100 180, and we have the state New York. Let's do New York, and next is the confirm button. Let's do this. So now what I have is account setting, right? Let's go over here. Now you have the full lifetime plan. Thank you guys.